Today we discuss about the operations management. First introduction. In the present era, the competition grew up in the market. However, the operations management in this present era, the competition is grew up in the market. The various companies are working on the quality, time-based competition and customer relationship. The various companies like FedEx, Starbucks, and Walmart. The various companies are FedEx, Starbucks, Walmart are focused on the operations management. The basic objectives of the operations management is produce the product or service in efficiency at the value of the customers. Now, definition. What is the definition? What is operations management? According to APICS, that means American Production and Inventory Control Society. That's called APICS. Its focus on planning. Its planning means development of plan and strategy. Its scheduling process of arrangement the workload of the production process. That means the workload of production process, usage of raw material and the minimum usage of wastages. Then control the methods, the proceeds in the product operational system of a manufacturing or service organization. Now, what are the process of operations management? The operations management or production management, they have a three process. That means input, processing or transformation process, output. In the production management, they have output only is goods. They have the output only is goods, but in the operations management, the output will be goods and service. In the production management, the production management outputs only is goods, but in operations management, the output goods and service. That is a major similar difference for production and operations management. Now consider what are the inputs in operation management. First, the materials. What are the raw materials? Input. Second one, information. Why information? Because service also comes under the input. So information, collection of information is called a data. So it's processing. It may be manufacturing operation and the service operation. It is a processing. Input should be a material and information. The processing or transformation process, it can be manufacturing operations or service operation. The output goods and a service. For example, we take a raw material of some nut and bolts to manufacturing a two-wheeler. The processing which should be manufacturing operations. The output should be a goods. If you take a information or software development something, it is information data. Service, it can be something coding codes like that. The output, it can be applications or software. Application or software. Next we discuss about the historical development of operations management or milestone of operations management or development of operations management. How the operations management developed this step by step in the year of step by step. First, the industrial revolution. What is meant by industrial revolution? It started on 17th century. Before industrial revolution, the many products are made by the handcraft. That means handcraft products. After the industrial revolution, the many industries are developed. A large scale of replacement of human within a machinery power. Human power within a machinery power. The establishment of factory systems. The industrial revolution means the establishment of factory system. Second historical development is scientific management. It started on 1856 to 1950. He is a founder of F.W. Taylor. The F.W. Taylor have the major two studies, the time study and the motion study. The time study is to analyze the performance of time in a specified job. If a job, the processing is called processing time. It's called processing time. The next study is motion study. This study is called to analyze the efficient best method. Which method is the best method to produce the specified job or produce the goods and services. Next historical development is human relations movements. That means it is a study of research of organizational employee behavior group movements. Group behavior is overall the employees group behavior. How the employee behave with another employee, how the employee behave with the colleagues, how the employee behave with the team manager, how the employee behave with the production manager, how the employee behave with the lower level employees, that all. The fifth historical development is operations research. It is a branch of management. It is a branch of management. It is to use the modern method. This is a modern method. Modern methods to solving the decision making and solving the complex problems. Decision making in operations or production department, not in another department like finance, HR, not another. Decision making process in operation and production department, solving complex problem in production and the operations management. The next historical development is computer revolution. In the digital era, the many manufacturing, many operations, many companies are using the new methods, new softwares, new updated version computer. Now we are using the fourth generation and fifth generation computer. The fourth generation computer is microprocessor computer. The fifth generation computer is AI technology. That means artificial intelligence technology. So it can be used, it can be helpful for to take a easy decision making process and solving the many problems in terms of technology. Next historical revolution is service revolution. That means the service sector take the shape of the global. Take the shape of the global after the World War II. The service sectors like education sector, hospitality sector, medicine sector, like that. Next historical development is supply chain management. It is the flow of goods and data related to product or service from procurement place. Procurement of raw material. Place into the final destination. The final destination is bin the manufacturing company. Next historical development is e-commerce. In this digital era, the e-commerce playing the vital role in the manufacturing company. The final development is globalization, which is defined as a process of international integration, which association of transferring goods one nation to another nation.